Division PDP in Osun State and remain the party chairman in Osun State. We voted, we brought in Adeleke in 2022. We voted for him. He's our son. He was our candidate then. Then what do we do? Because of the crisis we are having at the top, we have to, adopt him as our candidate. And we have elected all the structure of the party from the unit level to the ward, to the local, to the state to work for him come August 15, 2026.
I really appreciate the PDP chapters of Osun State under the leadership of Honorable Sunday BC for this great move with the aim to see that the good work that the governor is doing to continue in Osun State.
As far as Osun PDP is concerned today, Honorable Tunde Tijani, who is the caretaker chairman of Osun State PDP, only has the right, and our entire leadership of the caretaker committee, only has the constitutional right to speak on behalf of PDP in Osun State. Any other person speaking on behalf of the party is doing a parlor meeting. PDP is a party that is guided by a constitution. If a old chairman of a political party is still attending a court meeting party, is that not anti-party? The national has not given directive for us to coalesce with another party. For Honorable Sunday BC parading himself as the party chairman, we have seen where is the integrity itself.
bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ pé kọ́tọ̀ ó kú kò sí dé area office láti ọ̀ṣun ìsìlápẹ́.